I am Munyarati, a spoken word artist.
Viewers PhD, I am Munyaradzi Tangire, a spoken word artist.
I want to recite my poem entitled Through Christ I Have Got Joy.
I want to recite my poem entitled Through Christ I Have Got Joy.
Jesus Christ is the King of Kings.
Jesus Christ, the King of Kings.
The territory of our lives.
The territory of our lives.
In His name there is full of life.
In His name there is full of life.
Full of joy.
Full of joy.
In His name sick people get healed.
In His name sick people